Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon. So friends, in the last video we have talked about how to install and set up Angular application. Today we will talk about how to add component into our project. First, let's understand what is component. Components are the most basic building block of an UI in Angular application. A component has selector, template, style, which it specifies the metadata required to process the component. Understand this by adding the component. So we can add component by two ways. First one is manual or programmatically. Let's understand with a practical example. First we will see how to add programmatically. So type ng generate component and then the component name, or you may only specify ng space g like generate, C like component, and then the component name. It is a short command to create a component. Now our user's component has been added. Let's have a look. As you can see, it automatically imported user component into the app.module.ts file because we created this component with Angular CLI. You can see our HTML code and the TS file, metadata details like selector, template and style sheet details, which is required to process component and build UI block. Now let's call component into the main file, that is app.component.html file by the selector tag like app-users. Let's run the project. So it is working fine. Now let's create another component, and this time we will create it manually. First of all, right click on the app folder and then click new folder. Give any name to the folder like profile. Now add HTML file into the profile folder, and you can print any custom message into the template file. After that, add TypeScript file and finally add style sheet file. Now just open TS file, the TypeScript file, and add export class and then the class name. Here we are using export. That means this class can be imported into the another component. So add metadata details to the component like define the selector, template or style sheet path. So component should be imported from Angular core package. I defined title string variable here. Let's use it into the HTML with string interpolation. Now call this component into app.component.html file with selector name like app-profile and go back to browser. You can see the blank page here. It means our code having an error. Let's check into the console. It displays if app profile is a component, then verify that it is a part of this module. Means we have created the component but we didn't import into the app.module.ts file. Every component should be imported into the module.ts file. Now add it here and run the application again. So friends, you can see the result. It is working fine. Hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Take care, stay connected.